So I'm here with Research Trials radiographer Pam Shuttleworth, who's going to tell us a bit about her job role within the Leeds Cancer Centre.
Hello. So I've been in this role now for about the past 8 years and been involved in the delivery of radiotherapy clinical trials. So my role really is to ensure patient safety and the accurate collection of data during the trial. I have to ensure that all the information that is collected is accurate and in a timely fashion. Part of my role is communicating with the patient so that they have all the information they need to make an informed choice about whether they would like to join the trial or not. They need to know what the trial entry means for them in terms of what they will have to do and the follow-up that they'll be expected to participate in. So my role is to communicate that to them and make sure that they have that understanding, as well as the accurate collection of the data and follow-up, because follow-up is really important in the clinical trial. If we don't collect the data and we don't know what happens to that patient, then we don't know whether the new intervention works or not. So that's quite an important part of my role, as well as communicating with patients.
Sounds pretty demanding, Pam. So what have you been up to in 2017?
Well, I've been working more or less, I've been the only research radiographer during 2017 and for the last 8 years, but now it's been decided that we can increase the number of people in the team. So we're now in the process of recruiting some more people, which is great because that will give more patients the opportunity to take part in clinical trials with an increased capacity that we should have. This is good for patients because research has shown that patients taking part in clinical trials do better. Patients treated in a hospital where there's a very research active team do better than patients treated in hospitals where there's not a research activity. It doesn't matter whether the patient's in the trial or not, they still do have better outcomes in a centre that does a lot of research. So I'm happy to take part and make sure that this centre is taking part in lots of research in order to have better outcomes for the patients that are treated here.
Pam, thank you so much. You're an integral part of our team here, and happy Christmas. It's great to hear from you. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.